Alright, we're gonna go over functional joint manipulation. A lot of people have this lack of understanding about how to use joint manipulation. We're going to deal with habitual acts of physical violence. We're going to deal with floaters. The 3 stages of interaction is, 4 stages. Safe distance, first and foremost, but when it leaves that realm and gets into the physical realm, we have floating techniques coming towards you, then we have anchor techniques, and we have clinches. We're going to deal with all those things. So the first thing we're going to do is a basic habitual act of physical violence number 3, which is a push or a shove. Push or a shove. Person comes out, pushes you, just like that. Start off the altercation or whatever, very basic thing. I like to pick a limb. I always take the right arm. So he comes in to push. All I'm gonna do is grab and lay my head on his shoulder and pull. All I'm doing. Taking advantage of his body. His wrist only goes back so far. I wanna get away from something he wants to hit me with. So he comes in, all I do is time it, lay in, and pull towards my core as I'm right here. From here, once I'm neutralized, I'm going to take my inside hand closest to his body, shoot it up in the sky as I go down to his wrist. Just like so. We have Sankajo. One more time, he comes in the push, I lay down, shoot it up as I go under. Sankajo. There we have it. Go. He doesn't touch like this. He goes, watch this. He goes like this, then goes like that. Boom. That gives me the shelf. You understand? So when he comes in, it's already there. My hands are together, and I just pull. Where are we strong at? Core. I'm pulling to my core. The farther his limb is away from his body, the less control he has over it. You understand? So he's extending, I'm pulling to my core. I have the advantage. Fight's over with this alone. Okay? Stop lifting it up and brush your temple against his chest. Don't lift up like this. See this? Do this. You want it like he's hugging you. See it? Just like this. Then you go like that. Temple against his chest and pop your head through. It's not this. It's this. You okay?
Yep.
You understand? Push too high, you have to wash your face. So he comes, I come like so, come up. See it? Wash your face, right? If he pushes down where most people do push, all you gotta do is do this and bow in. See it?
Yeah.
Just like that. Lay your ear on his shoulder, pull in, then spin through. See it? Stop canting his hand back. Yeah, right there. Just like that. Put your feet together. Now just turn in that spot. Nope. See how you're walking forward? See how you just took a step forward? Don't do that. Just turn in that spot. Okay? Never do this. If at any time I have him like this and I step forward, it's wrong. If I step forward, hit me, bang, game's over. If I'm hit me. You understand? Just me standing here, just like this, and going like this. Never step forward. You will get hit. Stop. Nobody's ever done that in the history of this world, pushing someone. No one's ever done that, unless they're dating. See it? That's not a push. Okay. Now, you have to control it where this hand doesn't do this.
Ooh, yeah.
You have to be up here. You understand? Never let it go back here like this. That relieves it. Then he spins, elbows, bang, or something like that.
Yeah.
Never let that happen. Just like that. Never like this.
Keep on the chest.
You don't have to keep it on the chest if you know how to do it. You can just stay right here, just like this.
Yeah.
You understand? You don't have to put it on the chest. That's what I teach beginners. To keep it on the chest. That way they can, whatever. But you don't have to. Just know that don't let it go behind unless you want it to go behind. Meaning, I'll have it like this, and then I'll say, all right, put your other hand on your head. All right, I'm going to cuff you. Do you understand? Now watch this. See how I drag it out? Put your other hand on your head. There you go. Now, I cuff this one, put it behind your back. Thank you. See it, shake it, cuff it, grab it, boom, boom. There we go. So he comes, boom, boom, boom. From here, we're gonna turn it up into Sankajo. Alright, so again, these are all floaters. See them floating towards you? You see it? In this instance, what we did is we allowed it to anchor. We anchored it ourselves by standing here and coming in. Instead of me dealing with it right here, you see it? I let it anchor, boom, and kept that. You understand? Now what we're gonna deal with is a true floater. So it's going, same thing, push, no matter. I pick the limb. I always take the right. Always take the right. I always take the right. So again, here comes the push. All I'm doing is turning, sucking it in, just like so. Back to his side, right? It's already done because I'm on his elbow. But instead of breaking his elbow, I just apply pressure to get him down and grab. Before he even has a chance to settle, I go and I just turn, grab, and step out. See this? He comes, I come. It's just a complete circle. I do not stop moving. You understand? So in there, I come like this. Boom. Boom. And he'll circle right around and turn right into it. So again, I come, just like so. And I place his thumb right here, never his palm, just like so. So when he comes in, I go, boom. See it? He pushes, boom. Turn and face me. Harmonizing. Aiki again. Then I bow. Once you make contact, you have total control. There should be nothing they can do. No windows of opportunity. No windows. So show me, tell me if you have a window.
Nope.
Nope. No windows of opportunity. The lock is consistent throughout, no matter even if I'm switching from lock to lock. It's a consistent pressure.